Hello, everyone, and welcome to Starting an Appliance Repair Business, Career, and Business Opportunities Workshop. My name is Kevin Tate, and I will be your presenter. Let me give you an introduction to the appliance repair business. In this presentation, we will provide an overview of the appliance repair industry, highlighting its importance and potential for entrepreneurs. We will explore the target market and customers, helping learners identify their niche and understand the demand for appliance repair services and the growing need for more service technicians and service providers. Additionally, we will go into the various business opportunities available in the appliance repair industry, encouraging learners to explore different avenues for growth and success. The importance of the appliance repair industry. When appliances break down or malfunction, homeowners and businesses are faced with the choice of repairing or replacing the unit. In many cases, appliance repair is the more cost-effective and environmentally friendly option. By repairing appliances, the industry helps customers save money and reduce waste. So where are you at on your journey? Have you created a business name yet? Have you created a business plan? Have you registered as an LLC? Do you have a registered agent? Have you applied for an EIN number or tax ID number? Have you looked into the cost of commercial insurance? Do you have a work van or a vehicle to transport equipment and parts? Have you figured out how you will build your customer base? These are just some of the points we need to look at in this workshop. Who will be your target market? The target market for appliance repair services includes both residential and commercial customers. Residential customers consist of homeowners, tenants, and landlords who rely on appliances for their everyday needs. Commercial customers include businesses such as restaurants, hotels, and laundromats, which heavily depend on appliances to operate their establishments. Business opportunities in the appliance repair industry. The appliance repair industry offers a wide range of business opportunities for entrepreneurs. Here are a few avenues to consider: residential appliance repair, commercial appliance repair, specialized appliance repair, appliance parts and sales, appliance maintenance, and service contracts. What is the key to this workshop? The key to this workshop is for us to work together to help you grow your business, or if you're just starting out, it's to help guide you over the hurdles that come up when you're just starting out. I plan to give you helpful information and resources that will help you get your business started or turn your already formed company into a successful business with steady workflow. Let me give you some legal and regulatory regulations for starting an appliance repair business. Starting an appliance repair business requires careful consideration of the legal and regulatory aspects involved by understanding and complying with the necessary requirements aspiring entrepreneurs can ensure that their business operates legally and responsibly. This section will guide you through the essential steps for business registration and licensing, the importance of insurance coverage, and the need for compliance with environmental and safety regulations. Business registration and licensing. Before starting an appliance repair business, it is crucial to register the business and obtain the necessary licenses. This process ensures that your business is recognized by the government and operates within the legal framework. Here are a few key steps to follow. Number one, choose a business structure. Decide on the type of business structure that suits your needs. The most common options are sole proprietor, partnership, limited liability company or LLC, or corporation. Each structure has its own advantages and legal requirements. Number two, business name registration. Select a unique and memorable name for your business and register it with the appropriate government agency. This step ensures that no other business is using the same name within your jurisdiction. Number three, apply for an employer identification number or EIN. An EIN is a unique identification number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to businesses for tax purposes. It is required if you plan to hire employees or operate as a corporation or partnership. Number four, obtain business licenses and permits. Research and determine the specific licenses and permits needed to operate an appliance repair business in your area. Requirements vary depending on the location, so it's important to check with local and state authorities. Common licenses include a general business license, a contractor's license, and trade-specific licenses like a plumber or electrician. Number five, register for state and local taxes. Contact your state's revenue agency to register for sales tax, employer taxes, and other applicable taxes. Compliance with tax obligations is crucial to avoid penalties and legal issues. In conclusion, for this week, I would like to conclude this workshop with a homework assignment to go over those 5 steps and let me know your progress as far as completing them in our next workshop when we will go over insurance coverage for an appliance repair business. I thank you all for joining me, and I will see you all next week. Thank you very much.